Hey guys, what's good? How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to Vinyl TV. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider subscribing. I will appreciate it. Thank you very much indeed for stopping by. Thank you very much indeed for clicking. I want to show you what we got here. We got this gear. This is HP Envy Inspire 7920E. This printer is all location family printing gear, best for photo printing. Can copy, scan and print from this gear. This printer is dual band. You can connect it via Wi-Fi network and USB cable connection. If you check my video, we connected this printer to Wi-Fi network. This steady blue light signifies that it's connected to Wi-Fi network. What we're going to do is give you an overview of this printer, then for us to load the paper tray and also show you step by step how to complete the alignment page. You must do this to your printer for it to function properly. But before we do that, I also want to mention you got 6 months instant ink included with HP Plus. You require HP Plus activation to set this up. Instant ink registration after 6 months, monthly fee applies unless you cancel it. It's not compulsory. Myself, I like to use pay as you go. Okay, so this is automatic document feeder, up to 35 pages of document. From the back here, the power cable here, 3-pin power cable is connected here, and on top of it, just above this is USB cable spot. USB cable is not included in the packaging. We have this at Vinyl Tech Store, free delivery here in UK, and it connects one end to the printer and the other end to the PC, and we recognize this printer. This is the serial number for this printer. Like I mentioned, you print everything, tackle anything. So automatic document feeder and best for high quality photo and frequent multiple purpose color printing gear. Advanced photo features, stay connected with self-healing Wi-Fi, sustainable design, over 45% recycled plastic, smart printing system. Here is the scanner. Load ID card, document, whatever you want to copy or scan on top of here, and select the features. Let's select the function from the start screen and we do the job. If you open this printer this way and up, the ink cartridges holder is right here. It's using 303. Check my video how we loaded the ink. 303 triple colors and black. If you have any paper jam, I do get question about paper jam. This is where to check for any paper jam and debris and gently remove it at the back here, and make sure you close it. And going to bring this down. Like I mentioned, this LCD screen, close this. For photo paper, this is casket. So with this casket, we have the bottom one and the top. The bottom one is for A4 paper, the top one is for photo paper. So I'm going to show you how to load this, and also then for us to print out the alignment. To load the paper tray, you just need to make sure you adjust it, the paper holder, to the particular paper you are using. So we're going to load A4 paper and also show you how to load photo paper. Okay, so A4 paper, you just need to get a decent amount, don't overload it. Then you just need to go in. Okay, and once you're in, then the next thing to do, you can also adjust it. So this is the A4 paper. Okay, you see the mark here, adjust it. Okay, the next thing to do is for us to load photo paper. Okay, so shift it to the side, then bring out the photo you want to load. Okay, this is 4x6. Yeah, 4x6. So then the next thing you need to do is just need to go in. This is 4x6. Okay, then adjust it. Here we go. So this is how to load the photo paper. So you just need to go in. So this is how to load the photo paper. Right now you can see main tray is loaded. Click OK. So right now the main tray is loaded. The next thing we need to do is, this will tell you right now, to get the best possible print quality from your printer, align the print head. Now this process, you use ink and one sheet of paper. Okay, so this process uses ink and one sheet of paper. You can skip it, but click continue. I want this to continue. Once you click continue, right now it's going to complete this alignment. And the beauty of this is doing it automatically. Some printers you need to go in from the app and select this function, but right now it's completing the alignment. Okay, it's showing us here aligning cartridges is what it's doing right now. This printer can take a stunning photo from your mobile phone and print it out straight away once you have the correct photo paper. So right now it's completing the alignment. Here we go. Cartridges are now calibrated for best printing quality. Recycle or discard the print page. So here we go. So this is the document with the ink that is aligned, and also it will tell you that is done successful. Okay, so this is beautiful. Just click OK once you're done. And here we go. And once you complete the setting, the printer will be ready. And also it will show you the copy features, scan feature, and shortcut. So right now this printer is completely ready for you to copy it. You can see this is the copy, and here is the scan, and this is the shortcut. So you just need to select the particular one you want to do, each function you want to select from the app, from the screen here, and it will do the job. Okay, and also if you select on top, it will also show you about the alert information. HPMV tell you IP address of the printer. Okay, so you just need to go back, for instance. So with this, actually also show you, if you type on the ink, it will show you the ink. You can see once you type on the ink, it will show you the ink level. Okay, actual level may vary, but this is actually what the level is at the moment. So you just need to select from the features, click OK. So anything you want to know, you select feature settings. If you go back to the settings, here we go, you select the preference, quiet mode, network, Wi-Fi direct, printer management, report, shortcut, by selecting the settings. Then you go back here. If you click go back, then it take you back to the main menu, which is copy, scan, and shortcut. Okay, this shortcut is for you to, it will start connecting, then save time with shortcut. Create one touch shortcut to speed up repetitive tasks like email, printing, saving your scan result. So this is shortcut. Okay, access to shortcut. If you want it, then you can also go back. So this is how to load the paper tray for this printer and also complete the alignment head. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do consider to subscribe. This printer is nice for everyday documentation, for photo printing. Okay, thank you very much and stay blessed. Thank you.